Hey everybody! These are just 5 random objects I found around the house, and the first one is paper towel. Just a chunk of paper towel, brand new. Now I apologize for the blurriness when I move the object. Look at that. All these little fibers. You don't even notice those fibers. Fiber! Oh, I can't even zoom in on that. Fiber. I do have cats, so I assume there's going to be some hairs on a couple of these items, but this is a paper towel. But it's just very neat how close up you can get. That's cool, you can see the little divot there. It looks completely different than I imagined. Alright, so next on the list we have my truck keys. So this is the fob portion. Let's see if we can see where you lock the door, unlock the doors kind of thing. Okay, let's just look at the Chevy symbol on the back. Oh, little specks of hair. It looks like jewelry. That is the Chevy symbol on the back side of the key fob. Let's just see if I can get a little bit closer here. Getting too blurry. I'm gonna look at the key. I'm more interested in the key itself. This is absolutely disgusting. That is just like, you can actually see the dirt, the sand crystals, and like the gunk. Oh, like what is that? What the heck? It's like a, did I sneeze on my keys one time? And then let's look at the metal piece thing. This is the metal piece where the key actually goes into the ignition. It almost looks busted and like broken there. It's definitely worn. I've had the truck for 2 years, but it's definitely worn out. All the little abrasions that it takes going in and out of the ignition. Like, look at that. That just looks broken. And all right, item number 3. This is a Toonie. This is our Toonie, our $2 coin. What we're looking at right now is the bear. This is the head of the bear, and there's the paws. The butt end of the bear, plus it, the big curve there is the mountain range in the Toonie itself. Let me see what year this is. Let's see what year. How long has this been circulating? Oh look, there's a queen. This is the queen's mouth. You got a pretty mouth there, queen. The queen's mouth, her crown. Got some little details in there. What year is this? What are we working with? 1952 to 2002. 19 years this thing has been circulating. That's pretty worn. How many people have used this, touched it, coughed on it, put it in their pocket, farted on it? You never know. The person who installed my internet actually gave me this thing to reset my modem. He uses this as a little tool, and he carries around with them. It's round, so I'm trying not to move it because it's going to want to roll everywhere. Stop rolling! This part screws in, and this male part goes into the female connector of your the back of your modem. And then as we go down to the end, I actually put a piece of tape, a piece of duct tape on this. So this is a duct tape that I put on there. Now I've had this for about a year. Oh no. No. And I do have cats, like I said. So this is, oh, no. This is the, let me just see if I can get it without rolling. This piece is just part of the exposed sticky side of the duct tape. And look at the amount of goo. But that red stuff is not. And that yellow gunky stuff is not. Oh no. Oh no. No. That is just purely disgusting. I mean, there's hairs in there. Cat hairs, of course, not mine. It just gives you a sense of the stuff you don't see. Okay, that's gross. All right, number 5 item is a cat toy. I've had my cats for almost a year. This toy has been around for just under a year, and my one cat just loves it. So this is a little fuzzy toy. It's gonna have tons of hair on it because it actually does look dirty and hairy, but those are the fibers. And I mean, it's really, actually really nice under the microscope. Just the way the colors mush together around. Let me just rotate it. This is the side that sits on the floor mostly. It's flatter. It's flatter. So just look at all the threads though. I'm so impressed. It's all these individual stuff. Just let's try to see some green. There's some green mixed in with some blues. But this, oh, the purple looks really nice. Let me just move it and focus in a little bit. Yeah, that's nice. That was very, very cool. So if you guys want to see anything else close up, just let me know. Put it in the comments down below and I will make a video about it. All right. Thanks for watching. See you next time.